This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn and cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of corn, either fresh or frozen. Pick your favorite cheese, perhaps a sharp cheddar or a creamy mozzarella, and have about 1 cup shredded. Don't forget a tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and your preferred seasonings like salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook our corn to perfection. You can either boil or steam your corn kernels until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Once cooked, make sure to drain any excess water completely. This step is crucial for preventing a watery dish. Immediately add 1 tablespoon of butter to the hot corn and stir gently, allowing it to melt and coat the kernels beautifully. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Pour in 1/4 cup of milk with your buttered corn. This will help create a wonderfully creamy texture. Then, add 1 cup of your shredded cheese. Gently stir the mixture over low heat until the cheese is completely melted and smoothly incorporated. You'll see it transform into a rich, gooey, and irresistible blend. Finally, let's finish our delicious corn and cheese. Season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra touch of freshness and color, consider garnishing with some chopped fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley. Serve this warm and comforting dish immediately as a delightful side or a quick, satisfying snack. Enjoy every creamy, cheesy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.